Beat. What's for the following program? Nah. Hi. Ha.
Joyce is holding the camera.
You think we're weird? There's a white person and a Mexican looking at us like we're weird. Weird feeling, but we like making videos. So fuck you people that keep laughing at us. These fucking funny videos. Someone loves Blair Maddie. I'm not ding dong ditching them. Oh my god, fine. Right. Maddie, stop stripping. Not allowed.
It's hot.
No dip, Sherlock. I said no stripping allowed. Gaps lam. Soxolos. Babylolo. Oh. Near language. Shut up. It's not bald. You're gonna see our shadows.
I'm breakdancing.
We're ghosts. I'm a part of ghost, so it's not a ghost.
Maddie Sue.
Jaja more. Is our favorite thing to do. Love you.
Let's go to my house.
Her house. Yeah, but we're not upside down though. It's just a camera. The Upside Down Show.
Hey, look. No, you gotta look at my shadow. It's all buff.
Oh. Yeah.
Boom. Boom. Firepower.
Gay.
Look. Look. Boom. Boom. Firepower.
Gay.
Alex. You
No, we're not copying off that show. That's racist. She whips her bangs back and forth. She whips her bangs back and forth. Ah, butterflies! Butterflies. Scary.
Ow!
There's an old hag watching us. An old hag with a long beard. Ugh. 1, 3, 35, 21.
Why have you come on my life? And I never felt this way before.
She swears. Not true.
And I owe it all to you.
Right?
I had the time of my life, and I never felt this way before. And I swear this is true, and I owe it all to you.
And it's like, you.
Look at my bun. I want my bun.
No, and then it's like, you.
I want my bun. That's what I want my bun.
It's not whipping. guess what, guys?
Whip my hair, not whip my hair.
Uh-huh.
There's a difference. This is flip. This is whip.
Look, Maddie. Wait. Maddie. Okay. Okay. It's gonna be a song video, kind of. Wait. Stop. Good. Like. Okay. Say. You say it, okay? You spin our heads around and round. When you go down, when you go down, you spin down and see right round. When you go down, when you go down. She's spinning me around. Why does this always happen to me? I had the time of my life last night in the mall. Packers at the laundromat.
Shut up!
I'm just kidding. It wasn't at the laundromat.
I can't break it.
It was at...
That hit me in the
Let me
face.
see this one. I can kill with this stick cleaner.
I just hit my face with that.
So,
Stop.
good.